Alright, bye, Hammaker. I don't know how hot this is going to be, but I'm going to eat this whole thing raw. It's supposed to be pretty hot. It doesn't seem that hot yet, but I haven't eaten any of the seeds yet. Now I've got some seeds. Definitely a lot hotter. Extremely hot. Real hot now. Ooh. Seeds are extremely hot. I don't want to eat all the seeds. Oh, too many seeds.
Just swallow them down.
Yeah. Those seeds are so hot. My eyes are... I'm crying. This is so hot. This is the worst ever. Oh my god, I feel so much better.
You know what you need is a Colombo.
That was the hottest. I'm fucking crying right now. That was hot. That was hot. I can't even talk. That was extremely hot. I'm crying right now.